abuse should not be covered because someone is family. It's normal. And so what would happen, for example, and I don't take my issues as rape, Elijah.
Okay.
And I don't. Hakuna any right to force someone to sleep with them.
Yes.
Not to sleep with them, not that to force someone to you see, no share kuti I don't understand kuti how does it munhu anofunga chaiche anofunga dzakakwana anorepa kana kuti kamwana kadiki. So mwana arepwa what you have done is that you have damaged the future of that child. Do you know what they call kana kuti munhu aka and they are disvision so there's a term that they use that you have taken the innocence of that person.
Yeah.
So tine vanhu vazhinji izvo vatu vamudzimba vakadzi vevanhu they still carry the trauma because akarepa nababamukuru nasekuru and nyaya yacho it was not resolved zvakanaka. Hapana, there is no a consequence of that action yakafeswa nababamukuru avo but yakangonzi yaiti taure semhuri. So now what it does it then vindicates the abuser. And the abused now is just left on the white. We don't care about their emotional being. We don't care about tine vanhu vakawanda izvo so vatori ne-HIV and AIDS not because vaida but vakazadzwa nababamukuru. Amwe ndimurume watete adaro ukanoripota zvonzi hakuna kwainoenda nyaya. And we have also so now not even rape yevarume chacha yevana vakomana. Tine varume right now that are into pornography, masturbation, addiction in sex chacha because they were violated and they were introduced to these things.
Isusu tinozongoona munhu akura akati akweyoruita sei but hatisi kuziva zvakaitika kubva.
So maybe mufana akabatwa chibharo nasisi vebasa and hazvina kutaurika, hazvina kuita sei because people always think vanofunga kuti just because someone is erect during the act or maybe just because the woman got wet during the act vaizvida. But this is just a physical response. It's just a natural response. It has nothing to do with whatever the person has consented to.
Okay.
Sati sekuru akarepa ngava face the consequences of the actions. And you actually need to get to a point whereby we alienate those people from the family because they are danger. Do you know